Today we are working on lesson 5-5, one-digit quotients. So the first thing we need to do is we need to update the table of contents in our math notebook. Today's date is the 16th, section 5-5, one-digit quotients. In my notebook, it will be on page 13. However, in your math notebook, it may be on a different page. First thing we need to do is put our topic and our essential question at the top of our notebook page. Our essential question is on page 116 at the top. What are the steps for dividing by two-digit numbers? So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to use the example that the book gives us. A theater sold 428 tickets for a show. A section in this theater has 64 seats. How many sections must there be to seat all the ticket holders? Well, the first thing we need to do is choose an operation. So we're going to divide to find the total number of sections. So the first thing we need to do is divide 428 by 64. 428 stands for the number of tickets sold. And 64 stands for number of seats in a section. Now, if we quickly estimate this problem, we could estimate it to 420 divided by 70, because 42 and 7 are compatible, or they have a factor family. So 420 divided by 70 is 6. Now, in order to solve the problem, we need to set up the standard algorithm, which would be 428 divided by 64. So does 64 go into 4? No. Does 64 go into 42? No. So we're going to have to go to 428. Will the 64 go to into 428? I don't know, but I'm going to use my estimation of 6 and do 64 multiplied by 6. 6 times 4 is 24, which gives me the 4 here and the 2 here. 6 times 6 is 36, plus 2 is 38. So 384. Is that less than 428? Yes. So let's go ahead and see if this works out. So we're going to have to subtract by 384. 8 minus 4 is 4. We have to cross it out and carry over. 12 minus 8 is 4. 3 minus 3 is 0. So we have a remainder of 44. Is 44 greater than 64? No, so that's the final of our problem. So 6 with a remainder of 44. Do you see how estimating helped us solve this problem? Let's go ahead and do another example from the book. I would like to do 345 divided by 85. First thing I'm going to do is I need to find out an estimation. So if I look at 34 and 8, what is something near 34 that's a multiple of 8? So I know that 320 divided by 80 gives me, what was that, 4? I also know that I could do 340. No, that wouldn't work. So let's rewrite our problem using the standard algorithm. 345 divided by 85. Start off with, is 85 going to 3? No. Is 85 going to 34? No. Is 85 going to 345? Well, I think it goes in there about 4 times. So let's do 85 times 4. And I need to make sure I'm lining up all the time, no matter what kind of problem I'm doing. I need to make sure I'm lining up the place value. 4 times 5 is 20, carry the 2. 4 times 8 is 32, plus 2 is 34. So that gives me 340. So I'm going to go ahead and do 4. Make sure, just in like in the example above, if 64 doesn't go into the hundreds place, doesn't go into the tens place, then our quotient does not start till the ones place. Make sure we're lining that up because that changes our answer if we don't do that. So we're going to do 4 times 85 is 340. Subtract 340 from 345, and the difference is 5. Is 5 greater than 85? No. So we're going to have a remainder of 5. Now what I would like you guys to do is, if you can try on your own, is guided practice. And you can find out on page 117. And I would like you to do the numbers 1 through 4. Thank you guys for listening, and good luck today.